Come test drive the 2019 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.